Sometimes learners need extra support to understand what's being asked of them, and that's where our pop-up content feature comes in. This feature allows authors to include additional content to their assessment text in the form of text or an image. Simply highlight the text and select the pop-up content button in the rich text editor as shown in this demo. This can support learners' understanding of the content by defining or clarifying constructor-relevant words and phrases using plain and consistent language or providing a visual representation by adding an image. You can also use this feature to help clarify instructions or make sure the learners are aware of all of the tools available to them. For STEM assessments, you can allow learners to see inline formulas relevant to tasks being performed, but this is just the latest of many tools Learnosity offers to help learners. Learners who struggle with mathematical computation can benefit from access to a calculator, and learners who have difficulty staying focused or maintaining attention can benefit from the line reader tool or the response masking feature that you see in this demo here. To access our pop-up content feature, simply update your LTS version to version 2023.1.LTS or later, and it'll be available by default in your authoring interface. If you're interested in learning more, contact team@learnosity.com. Thanks for watching.